Hello friend, my name is Ijaz and welcome back to my channel Pro Learner. Today we are going to download and install Go programming language in our Windows 11 machine. First of all, open your favorite browser and search Go download and hit enter. You can see the official website go.dev. Just open this and here you can see it is open source programming language and you can see the download option here. Just click here and you can choose the operating system, Microsoft, Apple, Linux or source. Okay, we are downloading for Windows operating system. Just click here and it will start downloading. It is of 95 MB. It is successfully downloaded. Just double click on it and after this I minimize this. Now click on next. Click on I accept the term and condition. If you want to read, just read first and then click on next. And after that you can see the program file is on C drive. Under C drive we have Go. Okay, now click on next. Click on install. It does not take more than 1 minute. Have patience. Okay, now click on yes. Now after successful installation, click on finish. Here you go, your Go programming language is successfully installed. To check it, just click on search panel and here type CMD and after that hit enter. Now here what you need to type, just type Go and then hit enter. You can see the following code is appear. This means you successfully install the Go. Now you don't need to set the environment variable path because it already did for you. So this is how you can download and install Go programming language in Windows 11 machine. So that's it for today's video. Hope you like this video. If you did, please subscribe my channel, share with your friends, and bye bye.